No one knows Reno's historic neighborhood like I do, Newlands neighborhood. I've walked every tree-lined street in this neighborhood. And I'm about to show you why this is where Reno's architectural heritage meets modern luxury living. The Newlands Historic District was developed in the early 1900s by Senator Francis G. Newlands with City Beautiful principles, creating this visionary planned community with tree-lined streets and architectural masterpieces that have defined elegance for over a century. From stunning French Renaissance Revival estates to classic colonial revival sophistication and charming craftsmanship bungalows that capture California's influence on Nevada's design. Mediterranean Revival villas with their distinctive red tile roofs and stucco walls. Tudor Revival homes with their fairy tale charm and half-timbered details. And stately Georgian Revival homes that speak to timeless American elegance. And here's what makes this even better. We're just minutes from vibrant Midtown Reno and steps from the Truckee River and zoned for prestigious Reno High School. This is where architectural heritage meets the convenience of modern living. From peaceful morning walks in historic Newlands Park to riverside adventures, from neighborhood gatherings to quiet evenings on wraparound porches, this community celebrates both history and the good life. Come join a community where every home tells a story, where architectural integrity is preserved, and where neighbors value both heritage and quality of life. I'm Shannon Comstock, and I would love to help you find your architectural treasure in Reno's most distinguished neighborhood.